Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Brook Highland local and long-distance movers near me. Are you planning to move soon and you need to find the right cheap Brook Highland moving company? 3 Movers offers a dependable option with the best local and long-distance services in the area. We know how to get you moved quickly and efficiently. Our team works with all types of clients, including homeowners, renters, business owners, students, and veterans. Choosing our help means you get the long-distance moving services you need, including the following options. Packing services. Our packing and unpacking services are designed to help you save time and energy when moving. We do all this hard work for you to make your move simple. Moving supplies. If you plan to do the packing and unpacking yourself, we have the right moving supplies to protect all your things. An on-time move. Choosing to work with us guarantees you get a crew that will arrive on schedule, ready to get to work for you. We never delay you on moving day. Upfront pricing. Our moving quotes give you the transparent pricing you need to set your moving budget properly. Licensed and insured. When you trust our movers, you get the right team to protect your belongings throughout the entire process of moving. Relocating one state over or all the way across the country is difficult. It's a big deal, and you need the right help to make it happen easily. Our team of professional movers will help you get to where you need to go much faster and much easier. With the right Alabama moving company, you can make your local move simple. Good movers will take care of all the heavy lifting so you can save time and avoid injury. Plus, professional movers know how to keep your things protected during the move. When you hire 3 Movers, you get a streamlined moving process. We know how to get you settled in faster. A move that might take you 5 days to complete, we get done in a few hours. If you're ready to hire the best moving company in Brook Highland, call us today. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Brook Highland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.